Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome to the ScareCorp channel. Today I'd like to do a review and an unboxing of Mastercraft 6 amp 4.5 inch angle grinder. Let's take a look. So, take a look around the box. We have the grinder. It's 11,000 RPM, 4.5 inch 6 amp. Okay, so this is a 3-position handle, so you can move the handle pretty much up or left or right. It's got a lock on button for the on and off. It locks. It's got the spindle lock button, slim design, and it's got the guard is adjustable. Alright, let's take a look inside. See what this baby looks like. Nice. Comes with metal grinder. I also have one of these guys here I was going to put on. It's pretty cool. Instructions. Nothing really that I need. Grinder. So you have this, looks like it's a hollow. So it's your handle. It's not bad. Probably could have been a little longer. You got your tool here. And the grinder itself. Weight's not too bad. Let's see how the... Usually if they don't have this lock on here, it's kind of annoying. Because you always kind of hit it. And it always comes down. So it's not bad. AC. Throw this bad boy on here. Grinding away. Also can go on the top here. Yeah, that's probably where I'm going to use it. That way you don't have to hold it onto the body and then always hitting that button. So yeah, that looks pretty good. I also have the Job Mate. It's not bad. I use it for a cutoff wheel. Do some steel. See, this all by that. It's actually not too bad. I don't have a big 14-inch one. So yeah, I'll be very happy with this guy. Nice size. Looks pretty durable. So this should last me a while. Alright, let's put this bad boy to the test now. Not sure if I like the sound of that when it stops. Anyway, that's just it trying to slow it down or something, but alright, let's take a look. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any comments or questions about this guy, let me know down below. If you want to see more of these tool reviews, subscribe, and you'll see them as soon as they come out. And check out my other videos as well. I have a bunch of series videos in there as well, so check out the channel, subscribe, stick around. Well, that is it for my time. I thank you for yours. Have a good one. Bye.